Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cinematic color grading effect on CapCut. So first, import your clips and then go to adjust. Then follow this setting. So for the brightness, you need to reduce it to -2, and then the contrast into -6, saturation -14, and then the exposure added to only 2, and then set the sharpen into 33, and then click on the adjust cell, and on the red color you need to set the saturation into 60, and then the orange color set the saturation into -21, and then the yellow one set the hue into 14, and then the saturation into 21, and then click on the green color, set the hue into 63, and then the saturation the hue into 63, and then saturation into 95. Then on the light blue color, set the hue into -34, and the saturation into 48, and then the luminance into -43. And then for the blue color, set the saturation into 56. And then the purple saturation -71. And then the last color, set the saturation into -60. And then go back and then click on a check icon. Then you need to go to the filter and then go to the nature category, then select the dust filter and set it into 82, like so, and then click on the check icon. And now here is the result for the cinematic color grading. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Bye.